There's barely any aspect of our life that the COVID-19 pandemic hasn't touched. It has affected our emotional and physical well-being. One of the numerous health hazards of the COVID-induced lockdown is a sedentary lifestyle which, in turn, comes with its own set of physical challenges including weight gain and body aches among others. Lack of physical activity and long sitting hours due to working from home during the COVID-19 pandemic can lead to swollen feet too. What causes swollen feet? Reasons behind edema in your feet. In fact, it could signal many underlying health disorders like kidney issues, injuries, disease, joint inflammation, and so on and so forth. However, fluid retention due to extended hours of sitting could also lead to swollen feet. How to treat swollen feet naturally? If the culprit after your swollen feet is any underlying health condition, then it needs rapid medical attention. If diseases are ruled out, and the reason behind the condition can be recognized as a sedentary lifestyle, then a few simple home remedies can help for sure. Try them while confirming that you make conscious efforts to move more through the day. Resort to rock salt. Salt can do wonders to your feet and decrease their pain and swelling. Put your feet in a bucket of lukewarm water and add a bit of rock salt. Its anti-inflammatory properties will relieve your feet. However, avoid using hot water as it will advance the swelling. Try to do this twice every day till the swelling subsides. Add grapefruit essential oil to bath water. Grapefruit essential oil is a great way to relieve pain and swelling as it possesses antioxidative properties. It also has anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties that help relieve swelling. Add some drops of grapefruit essential oil to your bath water and just relax. You can even add it to a bucket of lukewarm water and soak your feet. Elevate your feet high. If you are looking to decrease foot swelling, try elevating your feet a few times a day. When you're napping or sitting, prop your feet on a cushion or a pillow. Actually lying on the floor with your legs raised and pressed against the wall can help. This will help enhance the blood circulation between your feet and the heart. Accomplish this several times a day. Load up on watermelon. Eating fresh watermelon can help reduce swelling in your feet as it contains 90% water. Are natural diuretics that help reduce fluid retention. Make sure you load up on watermelons in the hot weather heat and also ensure healthy feet. Drink coriander seeds with water. Coriander seeds are anti-inflammatory in nature. This is often what makes them a well-liked Ayurvedic treatment for swollen feet. All you would like to try to do is add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds to a cup of water and boil the water lowers by half. Strain the solution, let it cool a small amount, and sip it. Consume it twice daily to get the required results.